Welcome to AUSPACK 2019 to the Matthews Australasia stand. We're very excited to be here at AUSPACK once again. It's been a fantastic show with lots of interest in our new technology, having plenty of customers come on and see some of our new innovations.
AUSPACK is one of the most important events in our calendar and a perfect location and time to make a much anticipated milestone announcement.
On Tuesday it was a very exciting and a monumental moment for Matthews Australasia with the relaunch of our brand, the new Chameleon.
It's time to change, to modernise, and a fresh new logo to reflect the technology business that Matthews is today and the technology business that Matthews will continue to develop into the future.
So on our stand this year we're showing some world-class leading technologies by many of our long-term partners.
We've got a checkweigher and metal detector unit. It's a combination unit, so it saves space, also saves money. From an operator perspective, it's start, it's stop, it's change products. So the X-ray, the metal detector and the checkweigher we have here at the show are really great value for money and amazingly easy to use. And that's what I really like about them best, the ease of use.
This is the Matthews SSCC solution. It's a GS1 compliant solution for our customers who supply to the retail markets in Australia of palletised goods. These machines have been designed with safety in mind. It allows for the operators to be near the equipment and they don't get damaged. So you can move that away, it'll simply reset itself. These are servo controlled, limited pneumatics and safe.
We're showing off our Compact 600 inline label applicator. It's a versatile labeller that can apply labels to the front and back of products. It can apply labels around a cylindrical product as well as other label configuration. On the label heads we install thermal print heads to allow for on-web label printing onto your labels, which applies a print to a label in the same place every time for a uniform look and feel.
This is Matthews product code management software. Today we're running all of our equipment from this centralised location where we can select one of our products, we can see what we're expecting to print and we can go home again. It's all simple one-touch buttons. IDSnet allows you to manage all of your connectable devices from a single point and start any production run with a single press of a button via any connected device.
So Matthews Australasia feel like we are one of the world leaders in innovation and technology that we bring to the Australian packaging market. We're looking forward to all the innovations that we'll continue to bring to the market from today and to the future. We're all about code, check, capture and care.